top 7 IIT safe rank. That is IIT Kharagpur. It was established in 1959. General 24.5. 20 about Delhi. General 7 and 12,000. So I this is Amit. As you all have got the J Advanced 2024 result today. So here I am with the top 7 IIT safe rank. That is up to which highest rank you can get the tag of IIT with any type of possible branch. For male, female, both separate. I will talk the cutoff. That is I will provide you the cutoff, and also I will talk about the JOSA round 5, that is up to round 5 what you can expect. That is whatever cutoff I am discussing here, that is applicable up to JOSA 5th round. That is this year there is only 5 round of counseling. Earlier they used to do 6 round of counseling. Now here I will consider general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST. For PWD I will provide the separate video. So here is the information for IIT Roorkee. 1847 is the establishment year of this college, and general 21-22,000. If you are getting this rank, then you can get the branch, there is any type of branch, and or you can say you can get the tag of IIT Roorkee. So this is for male and female. After slash it is for female. Now if you talk about for OBC 7.6, 8.6 thousand, this is OBC category rank. For EWS 4 and 4.8 thousand, SC 3.8 and 4.6 thousand, ST 1.7 and 1.8 thousand. Now if you talk about for IIT Guwahati, it was established in 1994. Here's the information. For general 11.5 and 18,000, OBC 5 and 8.4 thousand, EWS 3.64 thousand, SC 3.5, 4.1 thousand, ST 1.92 thousand. Here I would like to inform you one thing that is very important. Lower branch I am talking, that means in some of the college lower branch is civil, in some of the college lower branch means dual degree courses, in some of the college lower branch means material science, mining, engineering. So different colleges have different type of lower branch, means some colleges have too much branches. So those lower branches are very less demandable. That's why it is important to understand the meaning of the lower branch cutoff. That's why I'm discussing it here. So that's why you are getting the different type of rank for different type of college. It is too much difference. For IIT Guwahati it is 11.5 only, and Roorkee 21,000. That much is not the difference between these two IIT. Both are good, but in Roorkee there are lots of branches available. Those are less demandable. That's why you are getting up to 21,000. Hope you get my point. Now if you talk about IIT Kanpur, 1959 is the establishment year. General 12 and 19.6 thousand, OBC 5.6, 8.2, EWS 2.9, 4.7, ST 3.7, 4.8, ST 1.7, 1.6 thousand. And these are the category wise rank. If you are asking about EWS, then this is for EWS category rank. So here I would like to inform you about my complete counseling guidance for JOSA counseling, CSAB, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, MSCT, Manipal, BITSAT, COMEDK, whatever counseling you are doing across India, I will guide you. If you want only for JOSA, you can contact me. There is a very nominal charge for that. All the information is available in the description box. In the next section, you will be able to check the detail of my guidance as well. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this, you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything. That is the JOSA, CSAB, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSAT, COMEDK, EEEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail, in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending a bill. Now let's continue for IIT Kharagpur. It was established in 1959. General 24.5, 26,000. Here you can get up to 24,000. Even in some of the lower that is lower college or not good IIT, you can say that is newer IIT, you can't get up to 24,000. That doesn't mean IIT Kharagpur is not a good IIT. It is a top 5 IIT of India, but you are getting because there are lots of branch. Once you go to JOSA website, you will able to check the number of branch available here. That's why you are getting up to this rank also. OBC 9.2, 9.5 thousand, EWS 4.4, 5.2, SC 4.3, 4.8, ST 1.7, 1.8 thousand. Now if you talk about Delhi, General 7 and 12,000, OBC 3.8, 6.7, EWS 1.6, 3,000, SC 2.4, 3.5, ST 1.3, 1.8 thousand. Now if you talk about IIT Bombay, established in 1951, General 9 and 15,000, OBC 4.27 thousand, EWS 1.8, 3,000, SC 2.5 and 3,000, ST 1.5 and 1.3 thousand rank. Now if you talk about IIT Madras, So here is the information. It was established in 1959. General cutoff is 11.5 and 16,000. OBC 5.5, 7.8, EWS 2.5, 3.7, SC 3.3, 4.7, ST 1.4 and 1.5 thousand. So this was the information regarding top 7 IIT college. If you want the average 8 IIT, lower 8 IIT, kindly comment down, and also I will try to cover some more branch like CSE or electrical or mechanical branch in the upcoming days. So whatever video you want, kindly comment down so that I can provide you the video in the next video, that is all the information in my next video. And also whatever is your rank, kindly comment down so that I can provide you some possibility. If I will get time, I will surely reply you. So thanks again for watching this video. Please try to subscribe.